Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss Order 22 of CPC. This order talks about three different things: death, marriage and insolvency of parties. Take for example, I filed a case in the court. Now while the case is pending, I died, I got married, or maybe I was declared as an insolvent by the court. In such a case, what will happen to that pending suit which was filed by me or which was filed against me? Will death, marriage and insolvency affect the suit in any way? If yes, how and when? Hey, before we continue, I wanted to inform you about my live mentorship program for LLB students or law aspirants. Law subjects and law topics need detailed clarity. We get that with the help of cases, examples and detailed explanation. It's definitely not possible to include everything in these short videos. If you find my videos easy to understand and you are looking for some professional help in preparing for your examination, you can join my live mentorship program. Here you will be getting exam tips, answer writing skills, detailed notes that you can refer for your examination, cases, examples, and in a very easy way topics will be explained. I have live classes going on for a lot of subjects as of now. To know more about it, you can drop me a message on this WhatsApp number. I'm also helping a lot of students in writing their assignments. If you need any such help or for any queries, any suggestions, you can drop me a message on this WhatsApp number. And now let's continue with our video. When you look at the order, there are 12 different rules providing for detailed explanation on each and every single situation. Rule 1 to 6 of Order 22 talks about death of parties. What will happen to the case, the pending case, in case either of the party dies? Either the plaintiff or the defendant. As we all know, there may be multiple plaintiffs or multiple defendants in a certain case. CPC makes it very clear that even if parties die during pendency of a case, but their right to sue survives, in such a case, it will not have an impact on the pending case. The pending case can continue as it is. But now what is right to sue? And in what all cases it will continue even after death of the parties? Right to sue is nothing but your right to proceed with a case, your cause of action. Order 22 also makes provision for adding legal representative of the deceased party in case of death of the party. It even mentions about multiple plaintiffs, multiple defendants, how we will decide whether right to sue is continuing or it has discontinued. Everything is given in detail in Order 22 in all the different rules from 1 to 6. The second part that we get in Order 22 of CPC is relating to marriage of a female plaintiff or defendant. Even if during pendency of a case, the female plaintiff or the female defendant gets married, it will not have as such an impact in the case. But after marriage of the female plaintiff or defendant, can we make her husband liable for the debts or for the liabilities that the wife is having? As a general rule, if the decree is against the female defendant, it can be executed only against her. But in case by law the husband is liable for women's debts or women's liabilities, in such a case only we can make the husband liable because there is already an existing law for that. And the third thing that Order 22 talks about is insolvency of parties. When a case is filed, there are multiple costs that the parties will incur, both the plaintiff as well as the defendant. Once the case is decided, in the judgment, court also directs the losing party that the losing party needs to pay or bear the cost that the other party had to incur to proceed with the case. Now, in case someone is already declared as an insolvent, that person might not be able to bear the cost which the other party has incurred. So CPC makes it very clear that in case the plaintiff is declared as an insolvent and if he fails to follow the directions of court, in such a case it might have an impact on the pending cases. Like if court has asked the plaintiff to deposit a certain amount of money as a security and the plaintiff failed to fulfill that direction, or the assignee or receiver fails to do that, in such a case, insolvency of the plaintiff may have an impact in the pending case. In short, this was all about Order 22 of CPC. I hope you found some value out of this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, bye-bye.